In the latest sign of divide within the Democratic Party, the president of the American Federation of Teachers, Randi Weingarten, says she's leaving her post at the Democratic National Committee after 23 years. A letter obtained by Politico shows Weingarten rejecting an offer to stay as an at-large member June 5th. She points to disagreements with DNC Chair Ken Martin, saying, "I appear to be out of step with the leadership you are forging, and I do not want to be the one who keeps questioning why we are not enlarging our tent and actively trying to engage more and more of our communities." Weingarten has pushed for a change in the party's approach after the Democrats' 2024 election losses.
No one is going to save us but ourselves, but it takes courage.
Weingarten backed Martin's opponent, outgoing Wisconsin Democratic Party Chair Ben Wickler, in the DNC chair race earlier this year. After winning, Martin promised to unite the party.
We have one team. One team.
That's right.
The Democratic Party. We have one fight.
But the president of the American Federation of State, County, and Municipal Employees, Saunders, says it's time for new strategies. The union leader is exiting his position at the DNC too, telling the New York Times, "We must evolve to meet the urgency of this moment." The resignations are the latest rebuke of Martin, who in leaked audio obtained by Politico last month told party leaders his frustrations as chair. Martin called out former DNC Vice Chair David Hogg for his plan to primary some Democratic incumbents.
The other night I said to myself for the first time, I don't know if I want to do this anymore.
Last week, Hogg said he wasn't vying to keep his role. Notably, Weingarten has defended Hogg. In Washington, Mather Rivera, Fox News.